2021 gives you the launch of the Transit M Sport Seeker. Starting from 17,995 plus VAT, based on a 17 plate with 49,000 miles. We can do brand new, we can do from a 14 plate, as long as it's new shape. I'll tell you what we've added. We've put the full body kit on with the front lower spoiler, upgraded 20-inch wheels with heavy duty tyres, naturally. Privacy glass, all the unique graphics. Roll bar, quite a lot of work on into this one. Tinted lights. Now, what's special about this? Seeker produced the best Italian Nappa leather in Europe. That's a bold statement, but it's true. So you can have upgraded Italian Nappa fluted leather for $14.50 plus VAT. Absolutely stunning, and it is amazing quality, designed by a Jaguar designer. You'll not get anything nicer. So come and see us in our beautiful premises and have a talk to us about this Transit. It's got the rear spoiler, black pack, tinted lights, full body kit. If you've got your own Transit, you want it doing, come and see us. 15,000 over 5 years is $299 a month. We take part exchange. We are the largest styling company now in the UK for commercials, and we're growing and growing and growing, and we're doing more products now with vans, and we started with the Seeker Raptor. Now we're moving into commercials, and I'm getting braver and braver. But come and see us, because I think we do the best styling. There's nobody out there to beat us. Thank you for your time.